After years and years of waiting, the Apple God have smiled upon us and released a new iPhone. Apple's new iPhone is called the iPhone SE, and it's the new cheap iPhone that comes in at just $399 US, but don't let that price fool you. It offers a list of cutting-edge features. The new iPhone SE was originally expected to be called the iPhone 9, but the company has decided to return to the SE moniker. The iPhone SE 2020 release date is Friday, April 24th, but the pre-orders are opening at the end of this week, Friday, April 17th. The base model comes with 64GB of storage, with 128GB and 256GB models also available for a higher price. If you are familiar with the design of the iPhone 8, then you already know what the new iPhone SE looks like. It has a 4.7-inch Retina HD display. It gets the same True Tone technology as the latest models too, enabling it to adapt to the lighting condition around you. As it looks like an iPhone 8, that means there's a Touch ID home button built into the bottom bezel of the phone. You will be able to unlock your phone with your fingerprint using this rather than using Face ID. It also means there's no notch here, instead there's a bezel at the top of the display as well as at the bottom, with the top bezel housing the selfie camera. The iPhone SE is IP67 dust and water resistant, which means it will be able to survive the odd splash of water or outing in the rain. You have got the choice of 3 colors: black, white or product red. On the bottom edge of the iPhone SE, you will find a lightning connector for charging your device. And as expected, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, so you will have to purchase an adapter if you want to use wired headphones. While the design of the iPhone SE 2020 might seem similar to the iPhone 8, inside it's a different story. The iPhone 8 used the A11 Bionic chipset. The new iPhone SE packs the same A13 Bionic engine that powers the iPhone 11 range. That's a pretty big improvement for the new iPhone SE. Apple says it's up to 40% faster than the iPhone 8 and more than twice as fast as the iPhone SE 2016 version. Despite the A13 chipset being more efficient in terms of power, Apple is stating that the iPhone SE's battery life will be the same as the iPhone 8. You will be able to buy a separate iPhone fast charger to power up your new iPhone SE more quickly. One thing we do not know how much RAM will be included in the device. For storage, as we mentioned, your options are 64GB, 128GB or 256GB, and there's no microSD support for expanding that, so make your decision wisely. The phone will come running the latest version of iOS 13 out of the box, so you can expect all the software features of the recent iPhones. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.